Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do these trendy cow print nails. So I have a fresh set of nails sculpted out on my lovely model here, and please ignore the little boo-boo on her pinky finger there. Looks like we got her cut a little bit with the nail file. So perfect reminder to always season your files before you start filing on a guest. But the first color we're going to start out with is Madam Glam's Perfect White. I'm going to go ahead and put this on her ring fingers. And the next color we're going to go in with is Light Elegance's Alato Gelato, which is from a spring collection a couple of years ago. It's this beautiful light tan nude shade. I forgot how good this color is. Somehow got shoved to the back of my drawer and I found it, had to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this on the rest of her nails. And I want to go ahead and insert our inspiration photos. We have quite a few of them, but I've been seeing this trendy kind of swirly designs with cow print and kind of like random designs, and so I kind of combined them all and created this one look here. And I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat on all of the nails. And next I'm going to go in with Light Elegance's Blue Skies Ahead, which is this beautiful, gorgeous sky blue color. It has been hands down favorite of mine as well as all my clients. I've got so much use out of it, and this just released in the spring collection of this year, and I've already used a lot of it. And I'm going to go ahead and take my Light Elegance's swirly brush here, and I'm going to go in on the nude nails. I have already cleansed them. I'm going to go ahead and draw some different swirls on all of the nude nails with this blue color. And next I'm going to go in with Light Elegance's Fizz. This is one of their gel paint colors. This is white. And I'm going to go ahead and go in and kind of outline underneath the blue line I already previously did. And then I'm going to fill out the rest of the nail with the white. So I start off with my swirly brush to do the detailing of the outline. Then I go in with my flat brush to fill in the bigger portion of the nail. This just helps save some time because doing it all together with the tiny brush would take quite a while and probably leave it a little bit streaky and or bumpy. And if you had done it only with the flat brush, you might not have got such a precise line connecting to the blue. So this is a good technique to do detail and then fill in. On the middle finger here, I did decide to do the white on the opposite side of the nail from the blue, but I did follow that same pattern and then I go ahead and fill it in. And then for the pointer finger and the thumb, it's going to be similar to the pinky, so I'm just butting up that white to the blue and filling it in. And I did decide to go in and do a coat of this Fizz color on top of the already white nail, just because I felt like it needed a third coat of that white anyways, and I already had this white on my brush, so I just used that as the third coat for the white. Next, I'm going to go in with Young Nails Overdrive, which is their black shade from the gel paints. And I have cleansed the nails once again. And on top of all of the white spaces, I'm going to go in and do some cow print. Now, I don't believe I've ever done cow print before. I did recently do tiger print nails. I'm actually wearing them in this video, my neon tiger print nails. I will leave a link to that video down below, and I've done quite a few cheetah / leopard print nails, but I think this is a first for cow print and I'm pretty excited about it. So what I gathered from like the cow print is you want to do just some larger kind of blotchy black spots, and then you can fill in between a little bit with some smaller black spots, but it's okay if you're shaky. You definitely want these blobs to be imperfect, and you want each one to be unique and different and just look like it's kind of natural pattern. Once I have the cow print all completed, I'm going to go in with my Beamy Beauty Boxes Sky Leaf Gel, which is this light silvery blue shade of leaf gel. Once again, I think I said this in a couple videos back, I do not use my Beamy leaf gels enough. They are gorgeous, stunning colors by themselves, but they are excellent for nail art and doing little accents like this, just to give that little bit of glitter to it. So I'm just going in and I'm adding little bits of glitter, kind of butting it up against some of the other colors. And this is how I'm getting sort of that swirl print design in there as well with the cow print. And now it's time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. So here is how her nails came out, and I have to say they are so stinking cute. I never thought I would love cow print so much, and then having the accent of that like baby, well, it's not baby blue, that sky blue color, so gorgeous. And this is a fun design to do. You could do this as like an accent nail and have all of the other nails like that solid blue, or you can do a combination of some solid blue, some glitter blue, some cow print. You can kind of mix and match and do custom nails that way, but I definitely wanted to go in and do a lot of the swirl pattern and a lot of the cow print. So that is what I did today. You guys will have to let me know down below if you've been enjoying seeing me do some other type of animal print besides leopard, even though I still love leopard / cheetah print. Hands down will be my favorite print, but I had a lot of fun creating this design here. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing me work on my lovely model, and make sure you are subscribed for more tutorials coming up soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.